Alright, the way these clips, since they're so confusing, for this roof channel go, they go into the plastic piece first. This skinny little thing, which when you look at it from the side, this square notch part, the big open wide square notch part goes up. The skinny part down in that plastic clicks down in there. This goes onto the clip first. The edge of the roof trim, this black plastic edge, that little skinny edge, after this clip is already down in the roof with this piece of metal tab fastener in there, the piece of the roof clicks down into this skinny thing after. So put the metal things into this piece first. Then this real skinny channel on the right side here is what the roof thing clips into. This wide part just goes kind of around this white plastic right here, like this. So there's that wide part. It clicks down in there first, and then the roof part goes into that area. So you'll see this point here, that point there goes down into the white plastic groove. This thing wraps around the top of the plastic groove up here, and the roof goes into that channel. Let's actually save these. Here's another example. This clip is broken because there's supposed to be 1, 2, 3 little teeth. That third little tooth is gone, so it's gone. Same with the bottom. 1, 2, 3. The way these work is they slide like this. I can do it. Like that. So they grab and they slide on these notches. So what you do is, if you go too far, you can just slide it back off the end of the track here. Like that. And then run it back onto the track again. So the way these go into the roof is you kind of start it on the track. You get it down into the roof first, into position, and then you squeeze until they're as tight as they can be. Now they're not going to move.